In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear lower control arm in a Jeep Cherokee, which is located behind the rear wheel. You want to raise and support your vehicle safely, wheels off the ground. You want to take these 19mm lug bolts off. These are not lug nuts, they are a bolt. You just want to put this one back in so the wheel doesn't fall off when you take all the rest of them off. Just hold your wheel, take that last one out. After raising your vehicle, you definitely want to put a bottle jack underneath your suspension just to take the tension off a little bit. And this way, if something decides to fall down, this will catch it. This is your lower control arm. Your lower control arm is part of your adjustment for your alignment. This washer is oblong. It's not, the hole isn't in the center. So what you definitely want to do is mark where the washer is to the rear cradle. That way, when you go to put this back together, you just line those two lines up, and then when you bring it to your alignment shop, it's going to help them align it, and it's going to help not ruining your tire from your drive to wherever you're replacing your control arm to the alignment shop. So I just take a standard punch, make a mark on the washer and a mark on the cradle. Your arm has a 21mm nut, 21mm bolt. Now we're over to your inner bolt. Your inner bolt's going to have a locking nut. You will obviously want to take that off first. That's a 20mm. And you can hold the other end with your 21mm. That's your oblong washer with your nut. Your inner bolt is going to come out so far and then it's going to hit your axle. So you want to be very, very careful not to rip this boot. But if you wiggle it and turn and just work at it, the bolt will come out without ripping that boot. And there you have it. Take your new control arm bolt, new control arm. This is the one that's near that rubber boot for your axle. Just make sure you don't rip it. Maneuver it around. Slide your bolt through. Put your nut and your locking nut on. Make sure you line up your two marks that you made. Take your other bolt for the outside part of your arm. Might have to give that control arm a little tap to get your bolt through. After you pry down a little bit on this knuckle here, you can put your bolt straight through. Tighten your lower bolt and tighten your upper one. Make sure you line your two marks up that we made before. Both your upper and your lower bolts for this both get torqued down to 133 foot-pounds. After you have all your bolts tight and torqued, take your bottle jack and remove it. And you reinstall. Line up your holes. Get your lug bolt in. You want to do this by hand so you don't cross thread. And snug them up. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done in your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.